good, my people? Back again with another one. Got another boring old New Balance box, so I won't talk about it too much. We'll get straight into the label. So it says U 2010 TTB, 10.5 UK. If you want to read the rest, just pause it there. I'm not going to. We'll get straight into this pair. Bam. So we've got the 2010, New Balance 2010. I really do like this shoe. I really have liked this shoe before it came out. I kept saying to myself, I need a black pair, triple black, whatever you want to call it, to release. This is more or less triple black, and it has released, so I'm really excited, really gassed about it. On the bottom, we've got a standard sole. It says New Balance, bit of grey, black and different shades. It does have a plastic bit here in the middle, as New Balance always has a plastic bit. This pair is a bit defective because it does have it's been melted a bit, which I'm not too happy about. The sole doesn't look like it's gonna have the most traction. You might slip a bit if you're walking around on icy weather. For a normal day, like a dry day, should be alright, but that's yet to be tested. Then on the midsole, we've got again that plastic, so it wraps around from the bottom. At the bottom, you can obviously see the black. Then the midsole has a bit of grey there, and then it's got these kind of rubber bits. The rubber bit on the back goes all the way around and it ends there, and then this grey bit goes all the way around and ends there. Kind of a little design that they did. Not the best, not the worst, it's just whatever, to be honest. Don't really have too much of an opinion. What I weren't happy about is the first time I've had really bad QC with New Balance. So if you can see all the glue marks and all that stuff that we don't like, is there. Also, the colour here a bit is kind of like faded. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. I'm not happy with it. This pair will go back. I will get another pair, replacement pair. If that pair is good, I'll keep them. If not, I'm done with them. But yeah, so we do have mesh on the sides and underneath. So basically the whole shoe is mesh underneath everywhere, but there's two bits I've missed out, which is there on the toe box and there on the toe box, or like on the toes. I'm not a fan of that, but it is what it is. But as you can see, we've got the mesh everywhere. This is a very very clothy mesh. And then on top of the mesh, over the whole shoe, we've got this nubuck type of material, and we've got this like textured nubuck, and then we've got like a soft type of nubuck. It's two different nubucks. Then on the N logo, it's a plastic, full-on plastic logo, which is stitched in, as you can see. And then of course on the tongue, the whole tongue again is mesh, so the whole underneath is mesh. This bit's all nubuck, and then the holder's nubuck as well. And then we've got the New Balance logo just printed on the tongue there. On the inside it says NB 2010 on like the sock liner, which is a very soft, clean sock liner. As always with this model, it's a nice, not even this model, just all New Balances, nice soft clean sock liner. Laces, it's the standard laces that New Balance always has. It's that same kind of textured lace. Nearly every single pair comes with these. Is it New Balance if it doesn't have this lace? But yeah, I really do like this pair. I'm not happy with the QC. It's really let me down. It's not been the best at all. Lots of glue marks all around the shoe. everywhere, and it actually frankly looks like it's been used before, at least once or twice. I'm not happy with the amount of glue there is, and this bit of the material, and then this bit as well, because nothing else is like that. So definitely is an issue. It didn't look like this online, so obviously I'm not happy about that, because that's not what I've paid for. And yeah, lots of glue, not happy about that, so I gotta take 2 points for glue away. I'll give these about a 7 out of 10. If it was glue free, it would be about 8.5 out of 10, because it's a good shoe, looks really nice on foot. Doesn't look the greatest here like this, but definitely looks better on foot, which you'll see if you wait a few moments. You'll see an on foot video of this shoe. And yeah, I'm not gonna waffle too much more about this shoe. Make sure you like, comment, share, hype, subscribe. Wait for that on foot video, and most importantly, take care, my people.